Hello guys, it's your boy once again, MQ Trading. The name of the channel is Pneuma Wealth Academy. If you are interested in my strategies, you can just contact me, find me, okay, the description of the video, okay. You can send me a DM on Telegram or WhatsApp on Facebook, and I'll be glad to help you out. All right, so if you like my content, if you like my strategy, if you like the way I trade, then you can just like and subscribe to my channel, all right, so that anytime I release a video, you'll be the first person to enjoy. All right, now today I'll be showing you something very simple. I just want to explain the reason why some people are just not profitable in Forex. All right, because I feel this is so easy. All right, first off, Richmond, and I just love maths. All right, Forex is all maths. Everything you're seeing there is maths. Okay, I'm not an economics student. I know people tell you about basic supply and demand and all that, blah blah blah, and it works for them, you know. But I just use maths as an advantage to trade over the market. All right, so with my strategy, using the order block strategy, I'll be showing you just some simple 3 steps, simple 3 rules to use, and then I'm going to help you one-on-one class with me online to boost your confidence, show you exactly how to apply the rules so that you too can become profitable. All right, now I like to trade from the 1 minute time frame, which is what I'm going to show you. All right, but then if you even trade from the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart or the daily chart, you can still be sure to make very good gains. You can still be profitable. All right, but the only beautiful thing with the 1 minute is that with the 1 minute, of course, if you are risking 10 pips or 20 pips for, let's say, 60 pips, which is like 1:3, 1:6 risk reward, I'll be risking maximum 5 pips, because most of the time I have stop losses with just tight stop losses like 2 pips, 3 pips. Why? Because the 1 minute time frame, and because of that, I'm always targeting something like 1:10, 1:20 risk reward ratio. So I don't know if you get the maths. Anyway, so just a quick one. All right, so guys, listen, Forex doesn't have to be difficult. All right, the reason why you're still not profitable is because you've been jumping from one strategy to the other, and as soon as you start losing in a particular with a particular strategy, maybe you lose like 3 times consecutive, you start doubting the strategy, and then you move to another one. And guys, listen, on YouTube here, okay, I can assure you that out of all the traits or the strategies, all right, in Forex, over 80% are working, trust me. But the point is, why is it that some, I mean, more than 90% are still not profitable? I think the answer is so clear. It's not just about the greed, it's just about the discipline. All right, the discipline to stick to one particular strategy. So I tell guys, if you come to me, my DM, and you are willing to learn from me, all right, prove the strategy and make sure it works for you, because it works for me. Okay, I'm profitable with the strategy. Make sure it works for you. If it doesn't work for you, then you can say, okay, it didn't work, then you can move on to something else. But make sure it works for you. And my strategy is so simple, guys. It's so simple. You see, I've been trading for close to 6 days, my 6th year, you know, so I have quite a lot of experience, and I know how much I got to lose before I became profitable, right? Because the problem was not just the strategy, it was just jumping from one strategy to the other. All right, so guys, just thought I should let you know about that, okay? And remember, the only reason why you've not quit is because there's still a way out, because you know deep down your gut is telling you that you're definitely going to make it someday. All right, I'm talking about the Forex market, stocks, cryptos. I mean, you're all the same. All right, so yeah, so that's something I thought I should just let you know. All right, so just a quick one, guys. So normally I like to trade, you know, price, raw, naked chart. Okay, I have some indicators that I use, but I don't use them now. For now, I'm just concentrating on just order blocks, which is just the raw charts. All right, so just a quick one to let you know that the market doesn't just react because it wants to react. It has to do with support and resistance and liquidity and other blocks and imbalances, you know, and so many things. And I know so many of you get so confused because you are seeing so many things, you are hearing so many things, you are talking about the Fibonacci, you are talking about the blah blah blah. Hey, trust me, just stop for a while. All right, ask yourself, what do you want? You know, make up your mind to just master one particular strategy. If it's in an indicator, go ahead and use it. Become a master of that indicator, and trust me, you are definitely going to be profitable. The second thing is having an edge over the market. All right, the way I trade, I have an edge over the market. So no matter what happens, even if I lose 3 times in a row, which of course hardly happens, you know, even twice in a row hardly happens. Okay, but if it does, I still don't care. Why? Because I have a high risk reward ratio. That is what we call an edge over the market. So let's say if I have a $2,000 account and then I trade like let's say I trade like 20 times, right, with that particular equity, and then I lose like 16 times, which is which is, I mean, it's so not happening, all right. I can still be profitable with just the 4 wins. Why? Because of my risk reward ratio. And it's a reason why I keep preaching to people. Forex doesn't have to be difficult. All you have to do is just be disciplined to apply the simple maths all around it. Are you aware you can just trade without even a strategy? With just pure maths, you can still be winning in the market. All right. So that was just a quick one. I thought I should just let you know. And trust me, guys, I know they all have different scenarios, different formations, different, I mean, whatever, because there's crypto, there's stocks, there's options, there's forex, there's, I mean, so many stuff, for you to grab and learn, but then the beautiful thing is that it's all about the charts. They all respect price action, okay, because it's people. We are the ones trading, we are the ones causing them the charts. There's nothing like any software somewhere creating this chart. No, the traders form the charts. All right, traders form the charts. So the more versed you are in price action, I can guarantee that you're definitely going to be profitable at the end of the day. All right. So I just thought I should let you know. Okay, I'll see you. But let me just show you a quick one, just for those who are curious, because let somebody say, okay, this guy is just talking nonsense, just talking blah blah blah. He doesn't know what he's saying now. Enough of all this. Now, I like to make my strategy so simple so that students or anybody, a child at least, can even pick my strategy and be profitable with it. Okay, so let me just show you something. Now, this over here is gold. Gold moves a lot. It has a lot of volatility. Okay, and if you want to make money, I will advise you to start learning and trading gold. All right, but if you just don't have the heart, just look for a simple pair to trade. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a quick one, all right, simple order blocks, and you see. Now, I know some of you are just saying, what is this? Is this a downtrend or blah, blah? You don't even have to care whether it's a downtrend or an uptrend or choppy market or whatever. You don't have to care. You don't have to care about the support or resistance. All you have to do, let me show you a quick one. All right, so this over here is a candlestick. I call this an order block. Okay, if you come to my DM, I'll show you how they are formed. All right, but looking over here, this was the initial low over here, this green candlestick, and then currently the low has been broken. So let me show you a quick one. Okay, so this candlestick, this low has been broken. It's a breaking market structure. So you draw your order low, you set a pending sell limit order. What happens? So our market goes, it touches this zone, boom, it drops. You see, just a quick one. All right, the same applies here. You can see this is a new lows over here. Okay, market has been struggling to break these lows. All right, has been struggling. Let me draw it well. Okay, so yeah, so market has been struggling to break these lows. All right, then I see another order block. It comes all the way down and it breaks this new low. So I set another order block right there. All right, and see what happens, guys. It reverses. You see, so the market moves in zones. It just doesn't move. Okay, you just have to have the eyes to see and trade like how some of us do. I know some of you are like, blah blah blah. Why is that some of you guys are always so profitable, and is that so real? Is it true? Blah blah blah. I mean, it's all up to you. But what do you see? Okay, so let me show you another one, just so you know, because I know some of you talk a lot. You're like, blah blah blah. It's just talking nonsense. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so this market has been consolidating for now. It has been accumulating over here. Finally, it breaks down with this very nice bearish engulfing candlestick, breaks it, form a new low over here. Okay, continues. Now this creates an order block for me. I know there's a flow over here, so I just set another one. Okay, wait for market to come to that zone and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Okay, so market moves, poof, it touches and boom. You see, that's a 1:3 risk reward ratio there, right there. So this is so easy, and it's happening every day, guys. It's happening every day, every day. But I don't know. I don't see. I'm always surprised. People tell me that I don't see this. Why is this not happening? And I'm like, oh boy, this is just forex. You just have to get the right information. All right. So guys, like I said, this was just a quick breather, just to show you that forex doesn't just happen. With the right knowledge and information, you can also be very, very, very successful. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave, and I'll catch you up later. Thank you very much. I'm out.